Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you what have I bought for autumn winter, because it's autumn winter and I guess I like buying stuff. Without further ado, let's get into the business because we have quite a bit to go through. So I think I'm going to start this video with a statement, and my statement being I am very into white jeans this winter, which is a bit strange because, you know, winter is like raining, mucky, white jeans get dirty quite quickly. Doesn't make any logical sense, but it's a fact. I really like white jeans. So we're gonna start this haul with the first pair of white jeans that I bought. They're fairly affordable, and I think you guys are gonna love them. Let's do the unboxing. So, I got myself a pair of white jeans, which are quite unusual, from Monet, which is very affordable brand. They're in South Korea. Yeah, let's unpack it. So, what size are these? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I ordered like small. I just put it into perspective. They'll probably fit my husband better than they fit me. So anyways, these are the jeans from Storets that I got, and yes, they look absolutely massive and huge, and they're super long, and I can tell you now that they're going to be way too long for me. But fortunately for me, we are now living in times where it's totally acceptable to just roll up your jeans because it's a kind of like a vibe. You don't get them altered or cut or anything like that. You just roll them up, and that would be my plan with these. The coolest thing about these jeans is the fact that it has this thing. So that's why they're so huge, by the way. You basically attach the little loop on the other little loop. I'm terrible at explaining things. And this is kind of what you get. The jeans are pretty long, pretty wide, and they have a slit kind of cut out. I guess that's for your knee, but I'm just gonna guess that my knee is going to be in around here because that's what small people get. The bottom of the jeans is quite frayed as well, which gives it like this really kind of like, oh, I don't really care kind of look. Like, I see myself wearing them a lot, and I see myself styling them a lot, and I really love the fact that you can totally adjust the waist, so you can kind of wear them like low-waisted or kind of slightly bit high-waisted. I think that's kind of what it does for me in these jeans. So once again, these are from Storets, and they were probably in around $100, maybe $120 mark, so fairly affordable. They're really like, the quality of the fabric is really kind of cool. It's like proper jeans, and it's kind of like soft but sturdy, if you know what I mean. And yeah, I definitely see myself wearing them quite a bit. White for winter, who am I even? Okay, we got the jeans out of the way. The next thing, what are we gonna do next? Let's do some accessories, just because I never really do accessories, because I don't really buy accessories, because I'm not really accessories kind of person, I guess. But you know what? I'm living in Poland now, and we're gonna have proper winter, like the kind of winter with the actual snow and like snow boots and like, oh my god, it's winter. So I kind of figured, you know what? I've been living in Ireland where we didn't really have that winter. Gloves, hats, things like that, they weren't really a thing because they weren't really necessary. And I'm like, I have to prepare. So I did. I got myself a little bucket hat, and ladies and gentlemen, let's concentrate here for a minute because this is going to be big. This is literally one of the very few bucket hats that doesn't make me look like I'm actually going fishing. In other words, it kind of suits me. We're still getting this major, like, you know, the 90s Alaya kind of vibe, but at least I don't look like I'm going fishing. This is from this, I don't know what this fabric is called, buckle, I don't know, but it's from that little kind of like a nice soft material. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with. I think it's really cool. I really appreciate the fact that it comes in many sizes because my head is just difficult to size. Like, I'm usually small, but I tried small, but it was too small, but then this is kind of medium. I don't know. It has a branding here, so basically says Isabel Marant. I know everybody's wearing those Isabel Marant, what you call them, caps. But I'm like, nah. And generally the tag is on this side, which means that the branding should be on the side. But I mean, where is the branding again? You can totally wear it like this and just go, hey everybody, my hat is from Isabella Marant. I just wanted you to know. Okay? Just, yeah, did you get it? So you can wear it like this. But I think I'm more like a low-key kind of person who is just going to be doing this. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna be wearing in the winter. Oh, by the way, this hat also comes in beige, but I bought it in my local department store and they didn't have the beige one. I just kind of realized that there's quite few pairs of jeans in this video, because jeans are important when you ask me. Jeans are like the basic, the core of who you are. The type of jeans that you're wearing just really presents who you are as a person. Without further ado. So yeah, this is not very much of a true unboxing because I actually got these jeans about 2 weeks ago. But you know what? I kind of figured I don't really like the idea of true unboxing, because true unboxing is just like, hey, look, I bought all these items, but I can't really tell you much about it, about styling, options, is it comfortable, how does it really fit? Because I haven't worn it yet. What's the point, girl? What's the point, girl? We're here to give each other advice. At least I'm here for this. Gee, you get it. These are Celine jeans. These are from the new collection available in the boutiques now. This is how they look like. When it comes to fit, the fit is quite difficult to explain because it's not really mum, it's not really carrot, it's not really straight. For some unknown to me reason, they suit me perfectly. I actually got them a bit like, kind of like a size, even like 2 sizes too big. Sorry, no, I got them size too big. So I tried 25, which is grand, but I was like, I think, let me just try 26. So I did, my usual size would be 25. Oh my God, I just really love them. They're so wearable, they're so comfortable as well. And for whatever reason, whatever that shape of those jeans is, it just, I can just wear them with everything. I've been wearing them a lot inside, kind of tucked in into my Chanel boots, which I talked about in my last video. And I really intend, that's the word, to wear them with one of the items that I'm going to show you next. But oh my God, they're so good. They're kind of high-waisted. But you see, the problem that I have with the jeans as well is like, if somebody makes jeans that are actually supposed to be high-waisted, because I'm such a small person, they basically kind of go till around my boobs. So the good thing about these is the fact that, like, yes, they are high-waisted, but they're not too high-waisted for me, if you know what I mean. Like the proportions for the size, just perfect, just perfect. Like I know, like generally buying jeans, like designer jeans, is like, nah, why would I buy designer jeans? You know, the jeans kind of change. Maybe I can just get a pair in Zara. Zara jeans doesn't fit me, and I actually prefer to buy like really good pair that I'm wearing all the time, and I absolutely love, rather than like 7 pairs from Zara. So this is my jeans philosophy. So next up we have a package that just arrived from Dublin. This should be interesting. So let's open it up. The receipt. Top tip of the day is always keep the receipt, because if you want to sell the clothes, people usually are like, hey, and do you have the receipt? I'm like, yeah, I do. Anyways, wrap in paper. Woo. First item. I'm just gonna put this down so the paper doesn't make that annoying noise. First up, we have purple, kind of plumish. Not very much my color, I have to say. I mean, like, it suits me, I know it does, but I don't really have that in my wardrobe, so this is something new. And we have like a shirt dress. Ooh, I wonder, obviously I didn't try these clothes, they were bought remotely, so let's see how is that gonna work. I have a couple of cool ideas of how to style it, so the shirt is made from this slightly stretchy kind of fabric. It has this classic Bottega Veneta roundy kind of sleeve kind of shape. Do you know what I really appreciate about Bottega Veneta? It's a stupid thing, but I really like it. I really like how they sew their buttons. Can you see this here? I mean, focus. Yeah. Every button is basically sewn in that way. So yeah, I can kind of see myself, like, you know, wearing it with like boots, bare legs, and maybe like a coat on top. And it's kind of like a daily kind of dress. It's not very much my style, I have to say, but I will try to work it out in my wardrobe, and I guess we'll see what happens. Next item that I'm gonna have to go down and reach for. So next item from the same package, making a lot of noise. Let me get rid of the paper. So the next item from the same package from Brown Thomas in Dublin is another pair of white jeans. I told you, I'm really into white jeans, so these are Celine jeans with a little Celine kind of detail. I assume these are going to be slightly too big for me, but let's see. Yeah, they're basically very similar to the other pair of jeans and another pair of white jeans that I have. But you know what? I just like them. Oh, and they were really good price as well. So basically, they're kind of high-waisted, they're kind of baggy. They have completely straight leg that almost kind of appears like it's like what you call it, buckled, but it's not buckled. They're actually totally straight legs, and they will definitely be too big for me because you see the other Celine jeans that I showed you, the indigo ones, they're size 26, and I think these are like, they're 28, so 28 is definitely going to be too big, but we're gonna make it work, you know. Thankfully, baggy, big, too big, oversized is really popular now. They're made from really good quality cotton as well, like a really kind of like a jeansy jeans, you know. Sometimes, you know, when you get a denim or jeans and it's like either too stiff or too like floppy, kind of cheap, kind of, no, this is good. It kind of reminds me of like Levi kind of denim. So yeah, hopefully I wear them because I have this habit of buying things and not really wearing them. Okay, so next one is probably the star of this video, something that I'm the most excited about, and probably the item that I will talk about for the longest time. So just wait for me. There we go. Guys, I'm just gonna put it out there. Like, you know, unboxing things in front of the camera is the biggest pain in the ass ever. Okay. I like Celine. So it's a pair of boots from Celine, and just to be a little bit of that YouTube kind of annoying person, before I show you the boots, I'm going to tell you a story. You're welcome. So these are the boots that I saw a couple months ago. I think it was like towards maybe the end of the summer. I'm pretty sure they're from like last kind of Celine Trump, whatever that collection is called, but it's not the current autumn winter. I think it's the previous collection, and I've never really paid attention to them. I saw them, I was like, yeah, whatever, like. Then one day, now towards like autumn winter, I was like, these boots, they're really good, and I really like them. And I think it was because Celine actually released those, let's call them the Timberland boot. I think it's called outdoor boot. And they started to show up in the shops, and I was looking at them and I was like, yeah, but no, I actually would prefer the other ones. Now you see what was the problem. Because I woke up and came to realization that I would actually want the other boots, they were at that point nowhere to be found. Sold out, gone. I mean, not on Vestiaire, no, gone. So last Sunday, I think, completely randomly, I was a bit bored, you know, it was like one of those days and you just sit at home and do absolutely nothing. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go to eBay, and I don't know, I follow certain sellers on eBay, like a lot of kind of like resellers. I found them on eBay and I was like, no. And interestingly, they had like whole size range that I saw that the popular sizes like 38, whatever, they were all sold out. And of course, size 36, which is not really my usual size. I'm 35, but you know, you gotta work with what's available. I was like, yes, size 36 will do. And immediately put them in the basket, checked out, and now it's time to stop being annoying and unbox the boots. But the story is not finished, okay? The paper that makes the sound. What is this even? Oh, it's spare lace. It's like, I don't really... The box. I really like them. Yes, so I got myself a Celine I'm gonna call it trapper boots. Maybe a rapper boots. Trapper, let's call them trapper boots. I really like them. They are so comfortable. Again, I got them, I think yesterday, so obviously I had to, like, I was like, I'm wearing them. You know what? It's testing. I have to test them. It's for my YouTube follow people, because they will ask me, are they comfortable? Like, what's the sizing like? I need to know all these questions. So the size is standard 36. 36 is not quite my size. I am 35, but obviously with the boots, anything that has a strap or a lace and it doesn't make me look like a clown is fine. I gotta work with what's available. I wore them yesterday and I was a bit like, okay girl, why did you buy those boots? Like, where are you gonna go? Like, are you gonna go hiking? Are you gonna go to the mountains? You're not gonna do that. So can you justify this? Was this a correct decision for me to be making in this time? But then I wore them. I was like, oh, they're so light, super light. For a boot like this, you would think like, oh, it's gonna be heavy, like, you know. No, it's not heavy. They're super light. They're kind of like, what I really like about them is like, when you know. They do have a bit of a branding going on at the back, but nothing really like in your face. They really kind of remind me of this Kanye West kind of style, although I do not intend to be wearing these boots in that very casual way. I kind of have an idea of how I would pair them, with what I would pair them, and let's just say it would be like clashing of scenarios. And I think they're going to be really good for winter as well. Like, you know, when the snow comes and it gets kind of cold, then, you know, you are bringing your kids to school, and I think these are going to become really handy. Also, I've noticed, yesterday when I unpacked them, I've noticed that all my boots are black. I don't really, this color doesn't exist in my wardrobe. And you know what, guys? Now when I told you about the boots, I realized that this is not the final item in my haul. I have one more thing, which is also, it's like, goes well with the boots as well. Now, what I'm about to show you is not going to be a surprise for those of you who follow me on Instagram. But those of you who don't, first of all, you should. Second of all, just wait till you see it. I'm already excited. It's one of my favorite items that I bought for this autumn winter scenario, and wait till you see it. So I got myself this beautiful, stunning, gorgeous blazer jacket from the brand called Monet. And if you haven't heard about the brand, I only have one question. Where, like, are you on the internet even? Like, have you heard about the internet? So basically, the Monet is the brand that's been established by Sarah Monet. She has started the brand about a year ago, and it's been a huge success. We had like Kendall Jenner, we had Hailey Bieber, we had a lot of other celebrities that I don't remember the names of. So I got this jacket. I know Sarah, who is the founder of the brand, personally, and whenever we were like going to town, like I saw the jacket online and stuff, and I was like immediately, oh yeah, it's really nice. But I was like, yeah, it's a great jacket, you know, I have like great jackets. But then whenever we would like go out, I saw her wearing this jacket, and every time I was just like, oh my god, it's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. And then one day I was just like, you know what, you need to get me this jacket, I need size 34. I think this is wool, but I'm not entirely sure. What I really love about this coat, it's not a coat, it's really a jacket, is obviously the silhouette of it. So the big massive shoulders, it's like, it makes you, immediately you put it on, you can be wearing like the most boring outfit, like a tracksuit or something, you put it on and you're like, fashion. Another thing that's really cool as well, it's the fact that it has double buttons. You can button it up with the first set of buttons or the second set of buttons. Another thing which is really kind of cute, kind of cool, and kind of like kind of silly, but I love it, is the fact that this jacket has a little tiny pocket at the back. I'm not entirely sure what would you be putting in that pocket. In fact, I'm pretty sure I will never put anything in this pocket, but it's cute. So ever since I got this jacket, I wore it like bazillion times because I really like it. There's a lot of people who message me on Instagram asking about the brand, because it's a young brand, you know, it's like been introduced to major like My Teresa, this and that, but people are just like, huh, what, like, you know, when something new comes on the market, you're like, but what? So a lot of people messages me on Instagram asking like, what's the fit and how does that feel and what kind of fabric, and like, is it thick, is it nah. So I'm actually thinking, do you know what, we should probably do a designated the Monet video when I show you all the key pieces that I have. I can show you how to style them, and I can show you, like, you know, on the camera how they act, how they fit, etc. Yeah, so I think I kind of said everything there is to be said about this jacket. So that's it. That's the end of the haul. Right, that's it. That's all I got for you for today. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I hope that we're gonna see each other in my next video. I hope you're gonna end up subscribing to my channel and following me on Instagram, because you see, that kind of helps me with the whole, like, you know, YouTube algorithm and things like that. Also, what's another thing that you're supposed to ask people to do? Thumbs up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.